everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook the rainbow heart in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event that called Rainbow First. It's limited event like this. And then in here you can cook any special food, new special food for this event, and one of them is the rainbow heart. And to cook this rainbow heart is very easy. First you must have the recipe first. You can buy the recipe at the pop-up store. You can track the pop-up store by tap on this head to the pop-up store like this, and then after this store is located in the near central square on here, so just go to there and then just purchase the recipe. And after you get the recipe, just go to your stove and then just choose this recipe rainbow heart, and then in here just complete all the ingredients. You need any fruits, just any fruit, and then after that just tap on start cooking like this. And just like that, you will successfully unlock or cook rainbow heart like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.